Hello guys, this is Bhushan from Interact and I welcome you to this video. Till now, you know how to upload your homework for students, right? How can you give students the homework? But one problem remains. How can students submit the homework back to you, right? In this video, I'll tell you how. But before we start, I have a request for you. If you are the headmaster of a class, right, consider you are having a class called first day, I request you to collect all the emails of your students. Make sure they are the emails having Gmail, right? At the end, it should be @gmail.com, right? And I'll tell you why in a minute. But your first thing should be, if you have 50 students, collect 50 emails, right, of them. Does not matter if they are theirs or their parents, does not really matter, right? But collect 50 Gmails, right? And I'll tell you why. But let's proceed to the video, right? So I have a homework ready of English for the batch B1, right? As you can see, I have an image too. See this? What's happened is, I have given the homework to the students, but how can I make sure they give me back? In this video, I'll tell you how. First thing you have to do is you have to go to Play Store and download an app called Google Drive. If it is already on an app, great, just click on open. But if it is not, download. And if it asks you to update, update it. I have it already, so I'll open. So Google Drive is here. What I need to do is, I need to make a folder. First things first, I need to make a folder, right? For that, see this plus button down here, click on it. Here, create a folder. As I asked you, if you are the headmaster of a class, you should create a folder, right? Now this batch is called B1, but it could be anything. It could be first standard C, anything, but for me it's B1 batch. So I have created this folder. Once I have created it, it will appear here. I'll click on it. First thing I want to do is click on these three dots at the top. Once you have clicked it, click on link sharing off. What we are going to do is, we are going to paste the link of this folder in the homework, and to paste the link you should add the link sharing, right? Now next step is important. You should consider you are giving the homework of English, right? So you'll make a folder called English. Once you have done it, click on create. If you have another subject called science, okay, you can create it and create, right? Once you have done so, now that I have given the English homework only, I'll click on English. And what I need to do is, wait a second, yes. So create the folders of the subjects in your school. So I have this English folder ready. What I need to do is very important. I need to add the emails of students. For that, I'll click on the three dots at the top and share. Once I go to share, what I have to do is, I must add the emails of all the students and teachers who share the subject, right? Teachers who teach the subject. Consider I have a student. For the timing, I'll just add my email, okay, and another student, let's say, okay. Now there are these two students, right? And there is one teacher too, okay. Bhushan are the students and Neeraj is the teacher. What I need to do is, once I have all the emails of students and teachers, I have to make sure they are editors. But given that here we see the editor button, all are editors, no problem. The next thing we need to do is click on this arrow. Once we click on it, all of these people will get added. Just we want to make sure they are added, we'll just click on the three dots again, click on share, then We'll just click on the three dots again and check who has access. See, all have access. Absolutely great. So we'll go back, right? Now, for the English, right? What we have to do is really simple. You have to click on English. Just checking who have access. Great. Okay, once we have clicked on English, the next thing we have to do is really simple. Click on the three dots and copy link. Once we have copied the link, we have finished everything, right? Copy the link and paste it in the homework, right? Now we have done this homework. What we have to do is simple. Click on here, edit, and we can write here, submit it here. You have pasted the folder link and click on edit homework. Now what the students have to do is, see, students will click here and they'll see chapters 1 2, submit it here. What they have to do is click on it, click on the link. It will ask which Google account to select, right? Students must give the account they have selected, right? For example, I have added this account as a student. I'll click on it, and once I see it, see this homework English. Now what I have to do is, for adding my homework, I'll either have a photo of it or a PDF of it. I'll just click on the plus, click on upload. Consider I have this is the my homework, right? This is what I've written. I'll upload it here, select it and upload, and I'll rename it. Consider my name is rename, right? Once I've clicked on rename, I'll simply click Bhushan homework, right? Or I'll just put my name, Bhushan Gavli. Once I've renamed it, that's done. That's all it is, right? In this manner, you can create a homework, add the emails of students and teachers, and paste the link. And ladies and gentlemen, this is how you make sure students submit the homework. Thanks a lot.